G'day guys, Kenny here. We're back for another round of the Vic Off-Roads here at Casterton for the Casterton Sandstorm, partnering up with the Aussie Enduro Series as well. It's going to be a good weekend, a lot of sand, so this will be awesome to see. Weather's great, been overcast, bit of rain leading up into the event, and it's going to be a good one. Hopefully, enjoy.
Ready for tomorrow. Track's looking pretty mid. Follow TikTok.
What do you reckon of the track?
Oh yeah, I reckon it's pretty mid actually. Yeah, I reckon it looks sick.
What do you like about the digs coming in?
I like the games that are on now. I just like how they run it. It's real good.
What do you reckon?
We ready to go?
Hopefully.
We're excited.
Yeah.
Sandy. Hopefully I can get a good start. Chase this bloke down. Does he reckon he's going to beat me? I'm going to beat him. I'm going to blow his doors off.
Just hold on all.
Make sure you delete that video in case he beats me. Good. All the finishing touches. Nip up a couple spokes, fresh tyres. We're fucking ready to go.
Yeah.
Is this going to be like the last YouTube video and it's going to have me passing you in the video or what?
Yeah, well,
You know, remember that?
that was
Remember that hill?
that was the wrong track condition. Casterton back in the sand. Yeah, it's been a little while. Been plenty of hard pack stuff at the start of the year, so always excited to get back in the sand. And yeah, good lead up Hatter, and yeah, been doing a bit of testing and getting comfy on the 500, and yeah, we're ready to go and see how we go. Pretty good.
How's the prep been?
It's been probably shorter than usual, to be honest. I feel like last year we had a few more sand rounds last year, maybe coming into this, but haven't actually had a 3 hour yet this year. I didn't do that last Vic round, so decided to sort of try and get a few more hours in the sand and try and get this set up and suspension testing and that sort of stuff. So yeah, getting comfy and the bike's in a good spot, and yeah, feel like we're riding well, and keen to see where we stack up, so that should be good.
Yeah, and there's the battle between your brother here and the...
Yeah, he's been riding well. I'll definitely take my hat off to him. Like he's been training pretty hard, and it's good to see him doing well, and everyone makes a little bit like a bit of a camaraderie out of it. But it's good, it's fun, and we keep it fun, and yeah, but we'll see how he goes in the sand. He's meant to be starting in front of me tomorrow, so if he's got a couple of minute lead on me, we'll see how long he can last with that.
Yeah.
So that'll be good.
Play chasey with him.
Yeah, that should be good.
Very good. Alright, all the best, mate.
Thank you. Cheers.
No, don't do this. Don't do this shit. Get out. Get out. What do we got?
Alright, crews, here at Casterton.
Yeah.
How's the prep and how's everything feeling?
We're a bit delayed. As you can see, we're doing tyre changes on the Friday night, but the prep this week has been, we rode Tuesday with the Milner crew, just did some training, but yeah, we just did some bike prep. We didn't do too much, just washed up and got him here. So came here this morning and then got here at lunchtime, had a bit of a walk, and that's about it.
Yeah, what's your thoughts on the track?
Yeah, muddy. There's some deep spots out there in the paddock. The water's just sort of laying on top of the paddock, but other than that, in the bush and stuff, it's just what we usually get, and it's good moisture in there because the trees sort of sucked up the moisture, so it's not too puddly in the sand. So the sand usually holds the moisture pretty good. So yeah, it'll be good. It'll be a good weekend.
Yeah, and obviously starting on the front row.
Yeah.
How's that feel with having your brother chasing you down?
Yeah, well, we're pretty sure that it's the top 20 of the Vics and the top 20 of the AEC. So yeah, Max obviously missed last round of the Vic, so he's out of the top 20. So yeah, we'll be starting in front of him, so that'll be interesting to see. He thinks he's going to get me in the first 20 minutes. We'll see how that goes. So we'll try to hold him off. So yeah.
All the best.
Legends, thank you.
steer you wrong, and now you just keep driving, trying to find where you belong. I know you feel helpless now, and I know you feel alone. That's the same road, and the same road that I'm on. Yeah,
Are you sure? Feathers everywhere. Oh, that really hurt.
Yeah, I bet it did.
Yeah,
Hey, stop! Get back to think.
Man, this was expensive.
Looks like you're fucking done. Righto, take it home.
Want your goggles?
What?
You want to give her the goggles if she's going riding back?
Go there now. Drop the jacket in there.
Oh.
Take it off. We'll go there, right.
Hi, my name's Jamie Dunstan. I am in the E2 class for the Australian Off-Roads and the Pro class for the Victorian Off-Roads. Had a good weekend this weekend at the Casterton for Vics and Aussies. And yeah, it was an absolute ripper. Got a bit muddy, got stuck a couple of times, but we just had to push through it. There's a lot of good moments out there. Finally good to be back in sand. Finished with a 28th outright yesterday for the Saturday for the cross country, and then today I'll be in the top 20 for Sunday. And yeah, it was good to see everyone out there. It looked like everybody's having a ball, and yeah, it was great.
Yeah. Who was your main competition out there today, you reckon? Over the whole weekend?
Main competition, it's actually good to see Max Ricky's up there this weekend. He had a good, looked like he was having some good times up here. Unfortunately, he had a bike problem yesterday. But today, yeah, today was a good go with Max. Bjorn out there as well. Yesterday, I just had a bit of an off yesterday, which kind of hurt me neck, so I just kind of took it a bit easy. And yeah, I think that's it for. Yeah, for this weekend.
Who would you like to thank for the weekend?
I'd love to thank On Point Suspension. We dialed it up on Wednesday up at Echuca. And yeah, mate, got that thing absolutely dialed, especially even for Hatter's coming up soon. So yeah, I'd like to thank just even Alpine Star, just Rinsco, Bridgestone, and just all, and especially Monza and OGC.
And Mum and Dad?
Oh yes, and Mum and Dad. Yeah, always have to thank Mum and Dad. They do everything for me.
Yeah, so, yeah. Very good. Alright mate, thank you.
Thank you very much.
The crews were at the end of Casterton. How'd you go today? All good for the weekend?
Yeah, not too bad. Yesterday was a bit of a bummer with the clutch. I ended up just burning the clutch out. I got stuck in a bog hole and I was just trying to get out, and struggled a fair bit to get out, and yeah, dumped the clutch a few too many times, and yeah, we burnt it out. But today was a lot better. Yeah, we did 8 tests for the day, so it was a fair few tests, but I was definitely able to do all of them pretty consistently, because I obviously missed yesterday, so I was pretty full of energy. So it was a good day. I think I ended up around well inside the top 30, which I'm happy with, and yeah, a few good test times as well. I was getting up in the early 20s and stuff, so it was good.
Oh, good. Who was your main sort of competition, you reckon, this weekend? I was mainly focused on the Vics. Obviously I got Brody Bashir in my class. He's riding real well, so yeah, big shout out to him. He's riding awesome, so it was a tough weekend. I think we got him in the end, but no, he's riding real well. So yeah, in the E1 class in the Vics, so yeah. Yeah. Who would you like to thank for the weekend?
I'd just like to thank Mum and Dad, obviously, Ricky's and Moylan Builders, my girlfriend for coming out, Colo Films for coming as well, and Wally and the pit crew, and my brother for organising most of the stuff. I just come along and he organises everything, so it's good. Yeah, thank you.
Rachel, how was your weekend?
Yeah, it was really good. Got off to a rough start in the cross country, breaking my front brake lever on the first lap, and had to ride most of the first lap with no front brake, and then come in and changed it and went back out and put on a sprint and caught back up, got the lead back and took the win, so that was pretty cool. And then today we did sprints, and yeah, the track got super rough. Had a bit of a get off in test 3 in the mud hole, and sort of landed on my bike and lost quite a bit of time there, but other than that I won every other test, so yeah, it was cool. Stoked to be back racing.
Yeah. Who was your main competition out there for the weekend?
We were probably Jess. Me and Jess went back and forth a little bit in the cross country, and then today in the sprints it was sort of between Maddie, Jess and myself, so yeah, good riding.
Yeah, who would you like to thank for the weekend?
Big thanks to Yamaha Australia and the JGR off-road team, Liat, White's Motorsports, my partner Jack, and my in-laws for having our son this weekend, so Mum could get out and race.
Very good. Well, thank you for that. Well, Jack, how was your weekend?
Yeah, it wasn't a bad weekend. To get off to a start, we started alright, and then unfortunately had a bit of a bobble early in the cross country and ended up sort of busting up a hand, which is not what we really want to do going into a 3 hour, so I guess sucked it up and just cruised around for the 3 hours and found myself with Hamo, sort of just playing Tiggy for the rest of the 3 hours. But yeah, and then decided to play the safe card this Sunday. Today being sprints and Hatta being so close, we'll get the hand checked out, and on top of that, leading up to Hatta, that's a priority for the year. So we'll make sure we're sort of set up for that. But yeah, it was a pretty brutal track out there.
Yeah, how did you find the track out there?
Yeah, it was good. It was actually held up surprisingly good for the weather they had. It was nice and rough. We expected it to get deep, so it made for hanging on tough, that's for sure.
Yeah, who was your main competition out there?
Like I said, I probably just found myself with Hamo, and we probably would have looked at each other and said, what's two desert guys doing this much turning for? We've probably done more turning for the day than we would for a whole year, I guess. But it's good preparation for Hatta, so that's why you'll see a fair few desert guys come down and do this round specifically. So.
Yeah, who would you like to thank for the weekend?
I'd like to thank my partner Rach, my mum and dad, definitely for helping us out with Archie. Obviously this is our first weekend back racing since we had a little baby boy, so that was a huge weight off our shoulders. All our family and friends that come and supporting us. Paddy Latest Jewellery, Barry Francis Motorcycles, Liat, White Power Sports, FMF, Works Connection, Fastway, the list goes on and on. Bam Barbers, they've been huge for us this year, so yeah, we'd like to give a shout out to all them for helping us get the races each and every week.
Yeah, very good. Well, thank you. Right, Lyndon, we're here at Casterton. How was your weekend?
Yeah, it was a good weekend. You know, it's been a few years now since I've been to an Aussie Enduro or Vic Off Road, so yeah, it was good to get back. Get straight into the thick of it, and in the cross country there, and you know, sprints today. So got a little bit of variety there, and the track was nice and rough, and you know, the competition was pretty good. Like the boys are moving, and you know, I was just happy to get up there and battle with them and get some good results.
Yeah, how did you find the track out there?
Yeah, track was choppy. It had like, I thought it was going to be a little bit more sandy, but it had like quite a few hard bumps. So yeah, it was good. I kind of like adapted and just made do, and was, you know, just worrying about myself.
Yeah. How did you find this stuff compared to what you've been doing overseas?
Yeah, I mean, like yesterday the cross country format's similar for sure. Like, you know, the track got rough, and you know, you're out there for 3 hours. I'm not sure what the time was, but you know, it was close to or something. But pretty similar stuff, really. Just you know, over there you have probably a few more people on the course, and maybe gets a little bit rougher here and there. But definitely, like this weekend's track was a challenge with how rough it was for sure. So.
Yeah. Who was your who you battling with out there mostly? You found that you always come to?
Yesterday in the cross country, I kind of got a bad start, so I was like picking my way through, and then you know, I something happened at Will, and I ended up getting in front of him, and then I could see Corey up ahead, but I was kind of like, I'd kind of used up all my energy just getting to there, and then didn't really have much for him in the last lap, so yeah. But then today, just kind of Will, I guess, for the E2 category, we were kind of pretty close all day. Then he made a mistake in the last one, and I was able to put some time on. So,
yeah. Who would you like to thank for the weekend?
Everyone at the DM1 KTM racing team and KTM Oz for just helping me out when I coming back here for this Aussie Enduro and Hatta. So yeah, couldn't be doing it without those guys.
Alright, thanks mate for the week.
Yep.
Thank you.
Get up!
No. That was a bit rough.
Naughty boy.
As soon as you said no, I was like,
Did you say go?
yeah.
I was on clean too.
Enduro 1.